Is that focusing?
We're in focus, boys. We've got focus.
High five. This Disney trip is already a success.
Wait, either.
James, we're in Waterloo. Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
Beth, are you excited for Waterloo?
You're gonna sing it? Well, Waterloo.
What?
Waterloo.
What about it?
You know, this is my favourite
Why
part.
did you put Annafrid, Agnetha, Bjorn and Benny over just for my singing?
Sorry.
Joke.
Hey, I don't want to. I've stopped recording. If it's going to be like this throughout the whole trip, I'm really not going to be okay with it. James, we're on our way to Disneyland. How do you feel? James, what can you tell us about Disney World?
My flight.
Where's this delightful sound coming from, James? It's that man there. I'm just out.
He's having a lovely time.
Summer vibes. James, we're in France.
Oh,
I feel
no.
very French.
How did that happen? God, what are we going to do, Luke?
I don't know. Like, I'm using the rule of thirds with your face.
Get your film theories out.
Gotta get my film theories
Got to
out.
impress Stuart Hall. You've got to know your theories.
It's the only reason we're here. We're not here for Disney.
No, I just hear Stuart.
I think you did. Hold my ticket. You so look what I for the camera. Hello guys, on the train in France. And it's, well, there's no other word for it. We got double booked, didn't we, James?
Yeah. So, we got double books, and now I've got a fantastic seat.
Double booked, had to give up our seats. We're now sitting in the corridor, apologising to French people as they walk by.
It's great.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm really enjoying. Sorry. I'm really enjoying myself.
Terrible. I give this Disney. Sorry. I give this Disney experience a 4 out of 10.
I give these 3 Disneys out of 7.
I would not recommend taking the train because I double book you. I'm trying to be as informative as I can. My dad normally goes around going, "Here's the price of that. This is what you should be doing," and I'm just here like, on a train. It's a travel day.
Right.
Lovely. James.
Disney time, boys.
It's Disney time. We're in Disney World. Go on, Molly. It's Disneyland. Actually, it's Disneyland, isn't it? Not Disney World.
Wait.
The land of the Disney. Bang. What's over there? I can't zoom in because this camera doesn't zoom. You excited for Disney?
Yeah, I've never been.
Wait. Never ever?
You got me outdoors. Yeah,
You never been?
This is gonna be awesome. Oh, you two look adorable. Come on, let's do
It's
the
just
same.
me on my own.
Let's do the kiss me. Kiss me.
Luke has discovered some mini cheddars that aren't so mini after
Welcome
all.
to my medium cheddar review. They're not mine, they're Beth's.
Stick it on your gob, mate. What do you think of that?
Very nice.
Just to let you
Good.
know that I'm an elderly woman, so if we're out and you go, oh, I don't
I mean,
know, the likelihood is-
doesn't really have a point, does it?
No.
Okay, bye.
Good morning, James. You alright, Harry?
I'm alright. We're about to go to Disneyland.
We are about to.
Kingdom. Meeting up with Beth and Molly. It's
Yes,
gonna be a great time.
it's going to be great. I'm excited. It's really windy. But yeah, also we're staying here at this hotel.
Average.
It's well, it's nice. I mean, it's a college trip. We're just happy to be here.
Yeah,
it's students, but I don't think it's technically. It's not a Disney hotel or resort, is it? It's on brand with Disney, but I don't think it's them.
Yeah.
It's the Explorers Resort or something like that. But you know, it does its job, and it keeps us right next to Disneyland, which is what we're all here for. And for any of you religious Yes. James, there's a lot of water over here. How do you feel? James. James, we did it. We're behind enemy lines.
We made it past the French front. The Great Croissant Riot.
The Great Croissant Riots.
27.
Did Beth and Molly say where they were?
Like outside the castle.
like home. I'm pointing at it. Am I pointing at it?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
That's Disney.
Do it another one here. Wait.
Am I pointing?
A little bit higher. There we go.
That's Disney.
Right, a little bit closer.
A bit closer, yeah. Okay.
A bit closer.
Am I pointing at it?
A little bit higher. A little bit lower. A little bit more to the left. I mean, my left. And then a little bit more to my left. There we go.
That's Disney.
Alright, a little bit closer.
James, it's the Disney Magic Castle. Is it Cinderella's castle?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
How you doing?
Hello, hello. How are we doing?
Cold.
Cold.
What a good idea without jackets.
So that's why I've got the old coat.
Yeah, well, we checked the weather and the weather said it was going to be warmer than this and we didn't want to carry
She
our
was the
coat.
one that was silly. This is my job.
See, I checked the weather and it said it was going to rain. So I don't know what forecast you were looking at.
Molly's and Ellie's, I didn't actually know.
What have you been on so far?
I don't do rides. But we've been on the carousel and the teacups.
Have you?
Don't look like that, you enjoyed it.
You should come on a ride.
No.
You've got, I reckon, at least once on the holiday, you've got to do one actual ride.
Just one.
Just for the boys.
I reckon Big Thunder Mountain would be good. Because like 12-year-old me was terrified of roller coasters, so I went on that one and I really enjoyed it. So
Exactly. Let's do it.
Not happening.
Come on.
Not happening.
Well, you might love it.
Right, let's go look at a scary snake.
Okay. A little bit of drizzle coming down, but that's all right.
We'll be inside.
Into my homeland.
we're going home, Luke.
We're going home.
Are you ready? 8-year-old me was genuinely terrified. I'm still kind of terrified by this. So,
What foreign land?
yeah. I got kicked out of my country.
It's dangerous in France.
It's dangerous in France. You can't trust these bazaars.
I didn't show you what I got. You ready?
All over.
Go on, what'd you get?
Ready? I'm grabbing her by her face, which is not good.
Gold, it's Mary Poppins. Hello, Mary Poppins. You are only supposed to blow the bloody doors off.
Michael Caine is what you sound like.
Can we go look at a scary snake?
Yeah.
Okay. Fucking caught by a snake.
Can you stop running about with that snake and get me out of here?
Put me down. Stop it. We're going to Adventure Isle, but I'm kind of put out because Beth won't go on any
I
rides.
would not go on a ride.
Why?
You cannot pressure me into this.
But why don't you want to go on a ride?
Because I'm terrified of them.
Why don't you face your
Imagine
fears?
if the ride breaks and I die. That's not good on the world. So, yeah, because that's the tree house. I need to get in the map. Sorry. Having a friend.
I'm the map, 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 I'm the map. If there's a place you want to go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. Do it.
I'm not doing it.
Why?
Peer pressure.
I mean, it's not like we're trying to
It's not
force
massive.
you to smoke something.
I'm a bit scared.
Aha. Aha.
So you could sit together.
I'm still doing
Oh yeah, because that sounds like a good idea.
Hold
Harry's
hands.
still doing it. It's fine.
You know why? Harry believes in the magic of Disney. Let's go on the ride.
No.
Why?
I don't like it.
I will give you a high five.
I don't want a high five.
What do you want? I've got crisps in my room.
So am I.
I'll buy you alcohol tonight.
Just what is it that you want?
Not to go on the ride.
We want to be free. We want to be free to do what we want to do. And we want to get loaded.
We want to have a good time.
So that's what we're going to do. We'll see you later.
I'm actually loving life.
I know, you do look very cozy.
I am. And I got Mary Poppins and Mary.
Bye.
How'd you find this, Luke?
Yeah, how'd you find this, James?
Yeah, I had a lovely time.
Uh-huh. That's quite interesting.
Yeah, that's really.
Can I just... James.
I could see, because I saw you underneath,
Yeah.
as well as when it was just Molly screaming as you come round the front and she goes, ah!
Oh. Well, oh my god. What?
So, should I have gone on it?
Yeah.
Molly's
You
looking at
wouldn't
me.
have liked
You wouldn't have liked it.
100%.
In fairness, when we were going through the line, we didn't realise it went upside down until like near the end of the line. We saw the loop,
Yeah.
and Harry's face just dropped. No. But no, yeah, happy that you went upside down, aren't you?
I felt like the thing like lifting up a bit. I was like,
Yeah, always like
Stay with me.
I was just awkwardly holding the camera, but forgot to record.
See, whilst you lot were all being spun around and feeling a bit sick, I rang my mum, I texted people, and I ate and had a drink.
And also, thanks for keeping my coat warm. Very nice and cozy. Jafar! Oh, we're not worthy, Jafar. Go away. Go back to your bazaar, Jafar. Go back to your bazaar, Jafar.
Oh.
Dirty man. Standing over there thinking he's better than us. Killing genies. Oh, he's bleed.
Getting you closer.
He's getting you closer. We gotta run. We gotta run away. It's a live show. It's a live show. We're gonna watch it. It's Disney Princess.
I want to be a princess.
You're my princess, James. But I must. So we've just had lunch.
No, I know my place, Luke.
James, I am mid-vlog.
I know my place, if that's how you're going to talk to me.
You don't stay in your lane, mate. Let me just vlog.
I'm leaving France.
Don't leave France. Let's go on Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast, because it's literally just gone from 55 minutes to 40 in a split second.
Woohoo! Wahoo!
Okay, so I'm saying who's draws the short straw. Who is going to be in the same cart as you, Mrs. Competitive?
Oh.
Because you are the moniker of this group, and I'm very concerned for my safety.
Oh no, there's actually 3 girls and 3 guys.
Hi.
I just want to apologise. I made a serious error of judgment, and I won't be able to join you on Space Mountain.
But why?
My people need me, Luke.
What do you mean your people need you? Do you mean Beth?
Yes.
Well, Beth's coming on.
Are you there?
Is that even a question?
Exactly, she's that up for it. It's Hyperspace Mountain time.
Yeah. Frame it nicely and everything.
Okay, well, we're going to be...
I did get that A-star, you know.
Thanks, special thanks to Molly Duke for making a cinematic end to this day vlog.
Right.
Hi.
Do you want me to ask you questions as well?
We'll just walk along, we'll do it, it'll be like an interview.
Brilliant.
Hi, Luke Mullen. So, what's happened today? Since we last recorded, we went on Hyperspace Mountain. Thoughts on that, Molly?
It was really, really, really good.
I thought it was bloody brilliant, genuinely, because I'd done the one in Florida, and I'm not going to lie to you, it's a nice little ride, but that is 5 times the ride the Florida one is, just flat out. And it's all Star Wars-y. I mean, it was helped by the fact that you were screaming super loud next to me.
I was.
But that was fantastic, and then, I don't know where we're going, this way maybe. This is really weird. We'll roll with it. And then
Talk about the
Star Wars. And we did Star Tours, and that was good fun. We managed to get Beth on that one, but she didn't trust me. She thought it was going to be a roller coaster. But you enjoyed Star Tours, didn't you?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, it was good. I mean, my trust in you has become stronger.
I appreciate that.
Oh, baby, can we go back through and get a churro?
Yes.
I
I feel it's really awkward with you holding the camera and me talking.
No, it's good. This is good.
Okay. Well,
Hello there.
well, that's that really.
When Beth doesn't make it awkward.
Star Tours was great. I would say that the ride of the day, without a shadow of a doubt, was
teacups.
Hyperspace Mountain. You did the teacups, I didn't get to do it.
Oh,
Hyperspace Mountain, 10 out of 10, absolutely fantastic. I thought the Indiana Jones ride was good. That was alright.
if Molly's scream made it.
Molly's scream.
My scream has been the best
I wish
part
I
of
could
every
film
ride.
that. Just,
No, it was good fun. And thank you so much for helping with the filming here, Molly. I don't think the day's going to wind to a close. We've got the fireworks tonight, so we've got that as well.
Très excitement.
Très excitement. Oh, someone speaks French. Learning the language, native tongue.
Molly,
Yes.
permission to fly by?
No.